Hi, this is Helga Tates, and I sell homes and condominiums throughout the city of Toronto. So, what's going on in Toronto real estate? Well, it's been a bit slow, to be honest, and the recent statistics from October 2023 put those numbers into perspective. The highlights were there were only just over 4,600 sold, which is 5.8% below last October. There were over 14,000 new listings, which was a 38% jump over last October. And most significant is the sales to new listing ratio, which sits at 32% versus 47% in October 2022, which means there's more inventory on the market and less competition for the buyers. The threshold for this indicator is 40%. Anything at or below this number is considered a buyer's market. You know, we've been in a seller's market in Toronto for a very long time, meaning there were too few homes for sale and too many buyers, likely armed with low mortgage rates, which pushed up home prices due to competition. Makes sense, right? Well, however, now we have a lack of affordability and we have uncertainty in the economy overall, which has remained an issue for many would-be home buyers in the GTA. As a result, the number of sales edged lower compared to last year. However, as the cost of borrowing remains high, more and more buyers are waiting on the sidelines as they take stock of their situation and assess their mortgage affordability. You see, we have a combination of high interest rates and high Toronto real estate prices, plus a stress test that requires home buyers to qualify at 2% above the posted rate, which is kind of an impossible position for many would-be home buyers. Now, the number of listings has increased significantly, but has yet to make a big impact on the sale price of homes in the city. Condos are a little softer and definitely being more affected. Sellers will not likely see the price paid at the top of the market in the beginning of 2022, but many will hold on until they get close to that price range. And historically, if sales and home prices weaken, supply typically tends to follow suit, and would-be sellers would start moving to the sidelines to wait out the turbulence. That is, if they're not forced to sell due to renewing their current low mortgage rate at a significantly higher rate. So what do we have? We have buyers waiting on the sidelines, waiting for rates or house prices to drop. Sellers are listing, but if they don't have to sell, they won't, or in some instances, they can wait for a reasonable offer. We have a tug of war, people. With all that being said, I'm still seeing multiple offers, especially as homes are significantly underpriced to drive interest in the home. That is still the game in the Toronto real estate market. Ignore the list price and know the true market value. So if you need help navigating the Toronto real estate market, reach out, book an appointment, and let's figure out what your next move is. You'll definitely need a good strategy, and I can help you with that. I'm Helga Tateson with Helga's Homes.